Pregnancy at age 40 left Lisa with an unsightly, bulging vein. She was certain she would never feel comfortable wearing shorts or a bathing suit in public again. Lisa also had heavy, itchy, fatigued legs, but never thought her varicose vein and leg discomfort were connected. That is until she met Center for Vein Restoration's Laura Kelsey, MD. She was shocked to discover that vein disease was the root cause of her leg discomfort and varicose vein, that achieving healthier, better-looking legs was possible, but more importantly, knowing that Dr. Kelsey is extraordinary. Since having her office procedures with Dr. Kelsey, Lisa reports that her legs are feeling healthier and looking better than they have in years.